Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, you should hold down power key to enter turn off menu. If you see this window, you go to settings and select enable the power menu here. Now we hold down power key, then we hold down our finger on power off, and then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. Just tap OK and device will be restarted in the safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to exit safe mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.